What's up, guys? CP with the GT here. We got our walk around on the 03, the Moose. You know, got the billet grills in there now. You can finally see them. Hood scoop still faded. Rear spoiler still faded. I got two new rear wheels for these, 17 by 10.5s on some 315s. Gonna put those on when I'm doing all these new slotted rotors and pads. Well, the pads aren't slotted, but you get what I'm saying. Got some slotted and drilled rotors and some type of pads, I think. Ceramic something, carbon ceramic, I don't know. But you guys will see a video for that as well, but here's a little walk around. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.
Yeah.